Swiral Bokeh is going very viral nowadays on Insta Reels for fashion shoots and for high-end commercials as well. And on my last 5 shoots, I have used it on every single shoot. And to have this Swiral Bokeh, you can use special lenses or you can do it in Davinci Resolve. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this Swiral Bokeh in Davinci Resolve. So let's just jump into it. So I have taken these 2 clips in my timeline because these are 2 different clips motion wise. First of all, this one is having a lot of motion, and then the other one is kind of static handheld movement, so we can really see how we can achieve on different scenarios. So to create this effect, first of all, I will go on the first frame of my video. I will go on the color page here, and on the color page I will come to magic mask. I will click on it, and then I will just draw my points, and you will see like whatever I'm selecting is getting red because I have enabled my overlay here to see my mask. And if it's not showing for you, you can just come here and enable it. So just to show you guys, if I disable it, you can see it is still masking, but you cannot see what it is masking. So to make sure that you're masking the right part, just click on it and make sure it's enabled. And now the bag in her hand is not masked, so I will click on this so it can be masked as well. Now I am pretty much happy. Make sure that your magic mask is on better instead of faster, because if it's on faster, let me just show you what will happen. So if it's on faster, you see it doesn't do a very good job with the hair and everything, so it needs to be on better. Now you see it's so good and it is having all the hair masked very well. So now I will just come here and track it forward, and in case something goes off the plan, I can stop tracking and make new strokes just to adjust it. But for me now it's still going very good. You can see how good it is doing with the hair as well, which is very critical part for me, and that is the real reason I wanted to do this video, because I knew she was having curly hair and I really wanted to see the strength of AI magic mask in Davinci Resolve. And to be honest, to me it is a very good one. So I will just fast forward the video for you so you don't have to wait but for sure it's gonna take a minute to track 5 seconds video. Okay, now I'm done with masking and tracking the mask. After that, we're gonna really make the Swiral Bokeh. So to do that, first of all, you will have to come here and click on invert mask. So it's masking the outer part of our subject, because that is where we wanna apply our radial mask. So to do that, I have inverted the mask, and now I will come here on the radial blur and I will just drag and drop it on my node. There you go. It is applying a very nice radial blur. I will just disable my overlay so we can really see what's happening. So if I turn it off and on, you can see it's happening. And I'm gonna increase it a bit, not too much. This is a bit too much. Something like this. Now it is looking so beautiful. So if I play it now, you see my laptop is, to be honest, a very strong one, so it will do it very easily, but most of the time the laptops does lag in playing back this kind of stuff. So if I now disable it and enable it, you can see how good it is, and it's not affecting my subject at all. The next one, why I took this video, was because it was a bit different, and I just wanted to show you that this radial blur will not work on every single video. So if I do it on this one and I create a mask, let's say, and I invert the mask, apply the radial blur and increase it, it doesn't really look good. So if I show you now, you see it doesn't really work on this video. I mean, it does somehow, but it's not a good idea to use this radial blur on every single video, because there are some situations where you can use it and there are some situations where you should not use it. Like if it's a office kind of area or something interior in the house, it looks weird. But if you're going for fashion and weird stuff, that's where you can really apply the radial blur or the Swiral Bokeh, which was we call it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.